Okay, so welcome to you. So last time we have seen the surface integral of a scalar field. Now we will see the surface integral of a vector field. Okay, so this is the definition. Let f bar be a vector field in three-dimensional space with continuous components. That means component means what? So suppose f bar is what? F I bar plus g j bar plus h k bar. Then f g h are the components of the f bar. Okay, continuous component defined over a smooth surface S having a chosen field of normal unit vector n bar. So n bar or n cap you can say this is. Okay, so this is what unit normal vector. Then the surface integral of f bar over S is a double integral over S f bar dot n cap ds. Okay, so that is the surface integral. So ds or d sigma doesn't matter for this one. Okay, so this is called a flux. Okay, so surface integral over level surface. Surface integral over level surface. This is the next point. Okay, so if S is the part of the level surface g of x y z is equal to c, the n bar may be taken of the two fields. So plus or minus this. So this is c. This is the unit vector. So then flux is equal to. So you know that the flux is defined by this. Okay, so this integral surface integral is also called as the flux now. Okay, so now n bar you can put this. This is the simplification of this one. Okay, so this sigma you can take for this if it is a parametric equation, then you can take this r bar of x, r bar z. If it is y, so then this dx dx dy. So if it is x y and z, then this is dy dz. Okay, so d sigma is what? This is the d sigma. Okay, so you can write this d sigma. Your n cap is what? N cap is what? N cap is this. Okay, so you have to find this is what you know that this is the divergence. Okay, so divergence of a scalar function, not divergence, gradient of the scalar function. This is what gradient of the scalar function. Okay, so we solve the problems by using this theorem. So we find the surface integral of a vector space. Vector field. We'll take a problem. We'll take the two problems on it now here. So this is in terms of what? Parameterization and in terms of the gradient. That means what? The level surface is there. Okay, we'll take a problem. Find the flux of f bar is equal to yz I bar plus xj bar minus z square k bar through the parabolic cylinder y is equal to x square 0 less than x less than 1 0 less than z less than 4 in the direction n bar indicated in the following figure. Okay, so we draw the figure here. Okay, I will draw the figure here. The figure is given in the problem. This is your z axis, this is your y axis, this is your x axis. Okay, so the parabola is given. So this is the parabola. This parabola is y is equal to x square So this is provided to you. This figure is provided to you. Okay. Solution. On surface S, x is equal to x, y is equal to x square, z is equal to z. Okay. So r bar of x z, r bar of x z, because y is in terms of x z. So we get a parametric equation, right? So x I bar plus x square j bar plus z k bar. Plus z k bar. Okay. Now we find r bar of x. Okay. So this is what then we have to differentiate partially with respect to x now. So this is what I bar plus twice x j bar plus twice x j bar only. Okay. Then r bar of z now here. Okay. So this is what just k bar. Just k bar. We will take the cross product of this one. So this is I bar, j bar, k bar. Okay. 1 twice x 0 0 0 1 0 0 1. Okay. So this is equal to, if you put I bar, then this into this. Okay. So twice x I bar. For j bar, yes, you can, for j bar there is term. Okay. Plus j bar minus j bar. This is minus j bar. Right? For this one, 1 into 1 is 0 0. For this one, so this is 0. There is no component of k bar now. So we take the modulus of this r bar of x cross of z. So this is what root of 4x square plus 1. Okay. Now your n bar is unit vector. Okay. So this is r h bar cross r z bar upon mod of r h bar cross r z bar. So this is what twice x minus j bar upon root of 4x square plus 1. Okay. So this is your n bar. Okay. Now you want flux now. Okay. So flux is equal to double integral over s f bar dot n bar ds or d sigma. Okay. So d sigma. Okay. So this is nothing but double integral over r f bar dot. Okay. So here also we can find f bar dot n cap. What is your f bar? Okay. So that will do this. F bar dot n cap. Okay. N bar will keep this as it is. So this is what mod of r x bar into r z bar dx dz now. Okay. Dx dz. So what is your f bar? F bar is provided to you. F bar is equal to yz I bar minus z square k bar. Okay. What is f bar dot n bar? F bar dot n bar. So this 1 upon root of 4x square, root of 1 upon 4x square plus 1 will be as it is. No problem for this one. Okay. So we'll take a dot product of these two vectors. So twice x I bar. This is twice x I bar. Okay. So this is I bar and this is what k bar. Okay. So only I have to take the, this is what k bar. There is no component of the k bar. So it will be 0 then. Okay. So this is what then twice x yz. Okay. But what is twice x yz? Your y is x square. Y is x square. So this is what twice x cube z upon root of 4x square plus 1. Root of 4x square plus 1. Oh, so what is your f bar? Okay, so f bar is wrong here. So the f bar is what? F bar is yz I bar plus xj bar minus z square k bar. Okay. So j bar is there, j bar is there. So that is, this is what minus x. Okay, so minus x is there, twice x square minus x. So this is what? Minus x, twice x cube z minus x. Okay, so this is f bar got n bar. Now we will apply the formula now. So therefore plus is equal to, therefore flux is equal to limits of x and z are also known to you. So what are the limits of x? They are provided in the problem. Limit of x and limit of z. So limit of z are 0 to 4. We will write this. And limits of x are 0 to 1. It is provided in the problem. Just we will do this. Okay. So this is what then. Okay. So f bar got n bar. You have the value of this one. This is what? Twice x cube z minus x upon root of 4x square plus x into. What is this? This is mod of this. So mod of this one is what? We have calculated this is what? Root of 4x square plus 1. These limits are x and these limits of z. So order is important here. It should be dx dz. Okay. So now we will solve this integration and we will get a complete solution of this problem. Okay. So now see, this is 1. Okay. This is 1. So this get cancelled. So this is what? 0 to 4, 0 to 1. So twice x cube z minus x dx dz. Okay. So now we integrate this 0 to 4. So twice x to the power 4 upon 4 z minus x square upon 2 0 to 1 dz. Okay. Now this is equal to, so we have to put x is equal to 1. We have to put if you put x is equal to 0, then what? If you put the lower limit, see everything is 0. Only I have to put the upper limit. Okay. So we put only the upper limit. So 0 to 4. So upper limit. So you have to put x is equal to 1 only. So 2 by 4, that means this is half minus half. Oh, this is z. Okay. So this is z by 2 minus half dz now. Okay. So dz. Now we have to integrate with respect to z. So this is what? Z square by 4 minus z by 2. Okay. So we put this is what? 0 to 4 now. 0 to 4. Okay. So if you put z is equal to 0, then everything is 0. That means we have to put only the upper limit. Okay. So that is 16 by 4. 16 by 4 is 4 minus 4 by 2 is 2. So this is 2. So your flux is what? 2. Okay. Now next we will do the next problem for the levels curve. So we use the second formula. Now find flux of f bar is equal to yz j bar plus z square k bar outward through the surface yes, cut from the cylinder y square plus z is equal to 1, z is greater than 0 by the planes x is equal to 0, x is equal to 1. Okay. Solution. The surface is g of x y z is equal to y square plus z square minus 1. Okay. This is your the surface. Z greater than equal to 0 cuts by the planes x is equal to 0, x is equal to 1. Okay. So therefore n bar is nebula G. N bar is nebula G. N bar means what? Outward normal vector, not unit normal vector. Okay. So now delta G. So this is what? Dou G by dou X I bar plus dou G by dou Y J bar plus dou G by dou Z K bar. K bar. Okay. So dou G by dou X is 0. Dou G by dou Y is twice Y J bar plus twice Z K bar. Twice Z K bar. Okay. So now n bar is equal to, okay, so we'll find first magnitude of this one. Okay, mod of nebula G, this is root of 4y square plus 4z square, so this is 2 root of y square plus z square, so this is 1, so this is 2. Okay, so this is 2, this is 2. Okay, so now n bar or n cap is same as what? Delta G, nebula G upon nebula G. So this is what? Y J bar plus Z K bar. Okay, so if you divide by 2, this 2 get cancelled. Okay, so we write the formula for the flux first. Okay, we'll write the formula for the flux. So flux, surface integral over S F bar dot n cap d sigma. Okay, so this is same as we'll write here double integral over R F bar dot, this is nebula G upon nebula G, this dot product into this nebula G upon nebula G dot P bar d y dz. Okay, so it is dy dz. It is in terms of, okay, just we'll write dA then. Just we'll write dA. Okay, we'll not write anything now. Okay, okay, so it is F bar dot n cap. Okay, so first we'll write F bar. What is F bar? F bar is provided to you. First we'll write F bar. So F bar is equal to what? YZ J bar plus Z square K bar. Okay, so what is F bar dot n cap? F bar dot n cap is this. Okay, so this is what? Y square Z plus Z cube plus Z cube. So Z get common, Y square plus Z square. Okay, and this is what then? This is only the Z. F bar dot n cap is Z only. Okay. Now to find this P bar, just we'll draw the figure. Okay, so this is your Z axis, this is your Y axis, this is your X axis. Okay, we'll write Y axis like this. This is your Y axis. So actually this is a three-dimensional figure. is very complicated to draw. Okay, so this is your n cap. Now this is the projection of this is nothing but this. So this is your region R. This is your region R. Okay, so this one, this is nothing but xy plane. This is R xy. This is region R xy. Okay, so now your P bar is what? P bar. That means what? This is your xy plane. This is your xy plane. So to xy plane, which vector is perpendicular? So here the shaded the shadow region rxy is required region. So therefore p cap or p bar is same as k bar, because what z axis. So unit vector along z axis is k bar. Okay, so now this is what dot p bar. Okay, so what is the gradient? Just we have find it gradient. Gradient is nothing but what? So what? This is what we have already calculated this. Just I wanted twice y j bar plus twice z k bar. Okay. So now this the dot product of this one is what? K bar. So you have to take this what? 2z only. 2z. Okay. So this is 2z. Okay. Now you have to put this value. Okay. So therefore that nebula G upon mod of G dot P bar is same. This is what? Oh, this also there. So this is what? Just 2 this is what? This is 2 upon mod of 2z dA. Okay, so this is what? This is the sigma actually. Okay, so we put this. Therefore, flux is equal to Rxy. Okay, your region is Rxy. F bar dot n cap is what? Your F bar dot n cap is z. Okay, so z into this is what? How we got this 2 modulus of that one is okay, that is 2. Okay, it is okay. Okay, so this is what then? 2 upon mod of 2z. So z get cancelled, 2 also get cancelled. This is what? Rxy dA only. Okay, so dA only. So this is what? Area of Rxy, and area of the Rxy. So that is what? This is what? This is 1. Okay, so this is also 1. 1 into 1 is 1 then. So this is 1. Okay, the value is 1 now. Okay, so I hope that you understand all these things. Okay, So now we will stop here. Thank you.